All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about more rebranded tools. Almost everybody rebrands Trusty-Cook's dead blow ball peen and dead blow hammers except Snap-on. Mac, Matco, Cornwell, all rebrand. Snap-on has begun producing their own in-house, and obviously the Anti-Vibe is produced in-house by Mac's parent company. The Lisle Carbide Scraper. Now a little history on this. This is a licensed copy of the Super Scraper, but everybody has the Lisle one in their catalog. Snap-on, Mac, Matco, Cornwell, Matco, everybody. Same exact one you could buy through Amazon, a lot cheaper. Also from Lisle, tap sockets. Everybody's tap sockets are rebranded Lisle. If you don't know what a tap socket is, it fits on the end of a tap. So when you're tapping something, you can use a ratchet instead of, using a T-handle. Everybody except Snap-on rebrands the short little oil filter cap sockets from Lisle. Everybody except Snap-on. Snap-on has their much more expensive set that I don't know why you'd buy, but you can buy the Lisle kit, obviously, from everybody else other than Snap-on. The next tool from Lisle, everybody rebrands it. Everybody, Snap-on included. That would be the pneumatic fan clutch tool, all from Lisle. All you gotta do is look at the part number. It's all rebranded Lisle. Save you some money if you need to take fan clutches off. It's all Lisle. Now another tool from Lisle is the Jiffy-Tite coolant oil transmission cooler line disconnect tool. Now if you don't know the little Jesus clip, there's a tool for that. It kind of sometimes works. Quick tip. Spray the hell out of it with brake clean before you try to use the tool. Get all the gunk out of the clip itself. It'll make the tool actually work right. But that's all rebranded Lisle. My kit is actually originally from Jiffy-Tite, but I think they only sell now through Lisle because they're still branded Jiffy-Tite, but I can't find the Jiffy-Tite kit anywhere, so Lisle might be rebranding those. I don't know. Also, general disconnect kits, just regular fluid line kits, are generally rebranded either AST or a lot of Lisle products. So everybody rebrands those as well. Mueller-Kueps has a good relationship with Matco, so a lot of the Mueller stuff is rebranded for Matco as well. Their Super Scraper copy, licensed copy, is branded as Matco as well. Their wrench extenders are Mueller-Kueps. They've got many pry tools for clips and that kind of stuff that are also rebranded Mueller-Kueps. All right, so this last one is gonna be the suckiest one out of all of them because every company rebrands this company's products. The problem is they do not sell to the retail public. Rebrands everybody's vacuum filler that has a stant style connection on it, i.e. radiator cap. The vacuum hold tool that Matco has sold, and I think Mac sells it as well. All of the plastic radiator cap adapters are all from this company. And probably a bunch of metal ones as well, but I don't have enough information on who buys from where as far as the metal ones. 100% of the plastic ones are from Marvac Scientific. Unfortunately, they do not sell to the public. So if you find adapter kits that are Marvell Scientific, they're not going to be labeled them because they don't sell directly to the public. They only sell through distributors. So the only way to buy those tools is through the tool trucks. It's a rebranded tool, but I can't find any place to buy them. So that's why like the nice vacuum fillers are only available on the tool trucks because the company that makes them for the tool trucks. Now, yeah, you can buy the UView one that uses the cone, but that's the only place you can buy anything close to that. Is unfortunately, that kind of system is exclusive to the tool truck. The adapters as well in the plastic form. Now, obviously you can buy the really expensive AST ones or the less expensive stant, but if you want the ones you can buy on the tool truck, every now and then on Amazon, a Proto kit will show up with a slight discount, not much of one, but that's about the only way I've found the kit is rebranded, Stanley Work Company product, which is Proto. So unfortunately, that one you can't buy anywhere but the tool trucks. The vacuum fillers, the pneumatic pressure testers, all that of those designs, by the way. You can get pneumatic pressure testers from different companies, but the quality ones you get on the tool truck, they're only available on the tool truck. So that's why. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.